What's going on YouTube? My name is Vernon and welcome back to my channel right here at Vernon's Closet. Thank you so much for tuning in on today's unboxing. We've got another Gucci bag unboxing and I am so excited. I am celebrating my 34th birthday this year. So I decided to invest in another Gucci bag. If you haven't, please check out my website at vernonscloset.bigcartel.com. I sell brand new items all the way to gently used items. So everything in between. Check me out over there. So without further ado, let's get started on today's unboxing. Are you guys ready? I am like so ready right now because we are celebrating Gucci's 100th anniversary, okay? You hear me? 100th birthday. They've been around a long time, okay? 100 years, okay? So, I don't know if you guys checked out the film featuring Lady Gaga called House of Gucci, but I checked it out. Phenomenal movie. I really enjoyed it. They also had the 100th anniversary, well, to celebrate the 100th anniversary, they had a fashion show here in Hollywood, on Hollywood Boulevard. A lot of famous celebrities were there. Really nice stuff, really nice stuff. I was kind of shocked that they didn't really, I felt like they didn't really publicize it a lot because I found out about it like last minute. You would think that they would really like advertise for it a lot, but they didn't. But a lot of famous people were there, so they knew about it, so I guess that's good. But if you haven't already, check out the fashion show at Vogue.com or, you know, Gucci's YouTube channel, I guess. I don't know. But it happened right here in Hollywood on Hollywood Boulevard. Pretty cool. But yes, I love this. Let's first start with this bag. This bag is really dope. The 100th anniversary bag. It's really cool. I was not expecting this. I was expecting the regular old Smojo Gucci bag, shopping bag. But I really do like this detailing of this bag. I love that the fact that they've got different fonts up here for Gucci. I love this font. This font is really, really cool. And it's really cool. I like this down here. This reminds me of Pac-Man the game. Does this remind you guys of that, Pac-Man the game? Look at that. Look at that right there. This reminds me of Pac-Man the game. And I just love the detailing of the bag. It's really cool, really nice. Gucci, always doing big things, huh? So without further ado, let's unbag her. Let's get her out of the bag. Let's see what we got. Look at that. And of course, they always wrap it up for you as if it's a Christmas gift. Again, we're celebrating my birthday. My birthday's in a couple of weeks, December 21st. So I treated myself to another Gucci bag. So I don't know, guys, I'm kind of scared to open it up. Like, I don't want to ruin it. It's so pretty and wrapped up so pretty. I always do this. I always go through this dilemma of not wanting to open it up because it's so pretty. It's like when you get a nice pretty cake or something, you don't want to cut it and eat it because it's so pretty. But there she is. There's the box. And let's open her up. All right, guys. Let's go. Oh. So, there she is. And you open up from this side. Okay, get in a dust bag. I'm just gonna slide this on out because I can. There we go. We'll just keep it like that, slide it out. Here's the dust bag. Dust bag's really cute. It's really dope. And you guys ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? There's the dust bag. Look at her. Isn't she pretty? Now this is the men's mini shoulder bag. At first I was very skeptical about this because I don't mind being fluid. I'm kind of fluid with stuff that I wear. However, at first it seemed like this was a little too feminine for me. But you know, this is an official men's piece from Gucci. The associates were telling me that. But what I found interesting about this bag is that it just has a lot going on. And I like bags that are interesting and have a lot going on, okay? First, you have the classic look. And at first you don't really know what to expect of this. You don't know what this is all about. And then you turn it up like that and you're like, oh, that's interesting, right? You know, you have the belt buckle here and these two tiers right here. That's really interesting. It's just very pleasing to the eye to me. And I like things like that. And then you come on this side and you find out that it's a magnetic buckle. So to unloosen it, you just take this buckle here and unloosen it like that. And it's pretty strong. And it snaps like that. Very satisfying, by the way. And so that snaps it. You open it up to another compartment here. 2 more compartments. And that's where you can store all of your goodies, okay? Your debit cards, credit cards, your cell phone, your change, you know, miscellaneous stuff. You can store it all in there, okay? And that's what I really like about it. It's very interesting. There's a lot going on with it. Let me take this stuff out so you guys can see exactly how much room I'm working with here. But that's how much room you're working with there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So we've got something back here that holds a couple of your, you know, debit or credit cards. And then we just have two huge pockets that you can fit your phone in. Okay, I would show you my phone in here, but my phone is filming on camera 2 over here. But it's pretty straightforward. Once you unlock it, it's pretty straightforward. I love this part up here. How you can flap this up here. It would be really cool if they had something else up here that you could, you know, store more things in, like more card pockets maybe up here, maybe like 1 card pocket in the middle or something. I don't know, but that would be really cool. I love the hardware detail. You know, we've got the belt buckle there. This stitching is really cool. I like the detailing in that. And of course we have the shoulder strap as well. This is the shoulder strap. It's all brown. It's another belt buckle pretty much. And you just wear it across yourself like this. And you wear it as a crossbody bag like that. Okay. So really cool. Very classic Gucci. You know, that's why I like the classic look of Gucci. I'm not really into like, you know, the other looks of Gucci as far as like all the plain colored styles. I'm not really into that. I like the classic look. It's just something about the classic print to me. The brown, the green, the red together. Usually those colors together look really good. Of course, this doesn't have the green and red on here. It's just the classic print. But I really do like the classic look. It really goes good. I don't know why this kind of looks like it's like a book or something. Like it holds book. I mean, it can hold a book. It can hold like a little book. It's perfect for that. So you've got this going on all on 3 sides there. And when you first glance at it, you think that it's like a women's purse or something, but it's not. It's men's. This is a men's piece. This is men's. Of course, this can be rocked as a unisex piece, but this is in the men's section of Gucci. So really cool, really cool. Oh, it'd be so awesome if it had something down here even for storage of cards or something, and it'd be really cool if you could personalize something down here. That'd be really dope. Really dope. And I love how solid and firm it feels. It really feels good holding. It really feels good holding. And that is my Gucci bag, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in on this unboxing. And once again, check out my website at vernonscloset.com. I sell items anywhere from gently used to brand new stuff, from my closet to your front porch. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. All right, peace out. See ya.